Am I recording? Oh shit, I'm recording. Okay, let's start. Do this thing, girl, do this thing. Hey everybody, I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy and staying your asses at home, because it's a real ass pandemic out there, like for real. What you're going out for. Through this coronavirus pandemic and having to be home so much, I've been thinking a lot about the things that I want to put into the universe, both as a creative and as an entrepreneur. And honestly, I've been thinking about this before the pandemic. I've just been kind of sitting with my thoughts, obviously, because we're all stuck at home with low-key nothing to do, and I've come to the conclusion that I want to do sort of a rebranding of my channel, and I'm kind of really just using this video as a bookmarker, you know, just where you can see the cutoff of old shit, new shit. When I first started YouTube, like, I never intended on being a YouTuber. Like, really, I just needed an intellectual and creative outlet, especially because it was during the time when I first left college and I felt like I had like low-key nobody. And overall, I just miss the feeling of having a channel and sharing my thoughts and ideas and creativity with an audience and with the world. I'm trying to get back to that. So what can you look forward to seeing from me? Still some of the same content, like rants and reviews surrounding Black culture and Black content. Like, I couldn't get away from that even if I tried. I'll still be doing lookbooks and thrift hauls. Like, I love doing fashion stuff for you guys. I definitely want to show you guys some more home renovating, makeover style decor type stuff. Like, I love that type of content. I'm in this big brand new apartment that I'm just waiting to show you guys and waiting to style. Like, obviously I'm getting there. I also want to share my travel experiences. I want to do a little bit more vlogging, sharing some of my day-to-day stuff, especially surrounding creativity and entrepreneurship, because that's really like all that I'm about. And I want to show you guys some of the like nitty-gritty hardships of it, because, you know, a lot of people kind of talk about it on YouTube and they kind of skim over the hard part and be like, yeah, it's hard, but like, no, I want to show y'all the nitty-gritty of it. Like, I really want to dig into that because I'm all about entrepreneurship. I'm all about Black entrepreneurship, and I want to show you guys the real of it. And I have a few more specific topics that are going to be actual segments on my channel, but you gotta stay tuned if you want to know what those are. So I mean, like, you gotta keep in touch, you gotta pay attention, you gotta turn the notifications on, you gotta be subscribed, you gotta pay attention. I think I said that, but you gotta pay attention twice anyway, and if I didn't, well then once, twice, whatever. And I also want to get into doing some collabs with other creatives. It's something that I have done in the past, but I typically tend to steer clear from it just for reasons I'm not about to get into. And if there's something that you guys would love to see me talk about or discuss or do on my channel, please let me know. I'm open to all of your suggestions. It doesn't mean that I'm absolutely gonna do them, but I am open to it. And just as I said in my very first super awkward video I ever posted on this channel, I do want to remain kind of a miscellaneous channel. Like, I cannot put any of my thoughts or ideas or interests into a box or a single category. Like, my mind is constantly all over the place, and I refuse to ever do that to myself or my channel. Like, it's like, no. My channel will forever reflect me. I just want my videos to be a little bit more aesthetically cohesive and fluid and a lot more consistent, which I know is a big one. Like, chill, I already know. And really just an actual brand of me and not a channel of random sporadically uploaded videos. And I give you guys permission to hold me accountable. Like, you guys have my permission to be on my ass, to put some fire under me and be mean to me if I'm not like that with it. All in all, this isn't some like huge announcement. Really, you're just gonna see the change in how I edit, how I organize my videos, and just how I present it to you guys, because I really care a lot about the information that I share with you, the parts of my life that I share with you, and just like, why would I not? Like, y'all the homies, y'all the family, like, you guys are very much a part of this. And I just kind of want to share with you guys where I was with the channel, and, you know, let you guys know that me not posting has nothing to do with me not caring anymore. If anything, I care so much that I don't want to half-ass and just drop shit that I don't feel is up to par with what I have been posting or what you guys expect from me. And lastly, the thing that I'm definitely most excited to share with you guys is my new vegan YouTube channel Oshi Vegan. Yes, I have a new channel that's completely surrounding vegan cooking. Back before all of my moving drama and family and dealing with personal stuff and being super depressed and antisocial and not wanting to be on social media, I used to post what I was cooking in the kitchen on my stories on Instagram constantly. And you guys were always asking me like, oh, like sis, share a recipe, like what's good? I'm like, just like, I got you guys. Well, your girl has actually made an official vegan YouTube channel where I'm gonna share all of my recipes and all of that stuff. Now you can know. Now you about to get all the details. And I'm super excited. It's called Oshi Vegan because she not just vegan, she vegan. And anyone who knows me knows I love to cook. I love binge watching cooking shows. I love to experiment in the kitchen, especially after going vegan. Like, I don't know what it is about veganism that got me going crazy in the kitchen, but like, if you're interested in trying or eating or cooking vegan food, if you're transitioning into veganism, if you want to follow my journey in finding or creating dope vegan versions of your favorite food, or if you just want to kick it with me in the kitchen, by all means, make sure you follow me and subscribe to Oshi Vegan. So now y'all are definitely gonna want to hit the notifications on my channel. Make sure you hit the notifications on that channel too. Everything will be in the description box. And of course, you have to follow my vegan page, Oshi Vegan on Instagram as well. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm coming at y'all full force, and if I don't, like, y'all have permission to come for me, but hopefully y'all don't have to come for me because I'm gonna be ready for y'all. All right, bye guys.